Wow, Grace is amazing. I wonder if I could ever be like her. She seems so comfortable and confident in her job. Everyone really likes her. She communicates so well with all these different people. This group is so diverse. I feel confident in my technical skills, but I need people skills.
All right, great meeting, everyone. Let's keep up the continuous improvement. Oh, and let's welcome our new reliability engineer, Melissa.
Hi, everyone. I'm looking forward to working with you all. Mrs. Hoffman, Grace, I really enjoyed your presentation. You are so confident. How do I communicate and engage like you with such a diverse group of people? Do you have suggestions for me?
That's a great question, Melissa. It wasn't always easy for me. I've been at this job for 20 years. But we as a company have learned and grown a lot. One thing that really helped me was learning that diversity is not a challenge, it's an advantage. Diverse groups tend to make better, more insightful, and well-rounded decisions than groups lacking diversity. I've learned to reach out to people and really ask them what they think. I'm still amazed by what they say. They offer solutions that I could never have thought of. Having a great network of support is also a huge advantage. Have you ever heard of WIRAM?
No, what's WIRAM?
It's an acronym for Women in Reliability and Asset Management. It's part of AMP, which is the Association of Asset Management Professionals, a 501c3 nonprofit organization. Melissa, I went to maintenance.org and joined WIRAM. It's free, so you should join too. It's better than pockets in a dress. You can watch WIRAM videos, interviews, read articles, engage in the forums. There are live, interactive webinars, and even in-person industry events. You will meet lots of people just like yourself, and people that will inspire, support, and listen to you.
This sounds great. I can't wait to start connecting with WIRAM.
Fantastic!